Hi everyone, welcome back. So something a little bit different today. I don't know if you've ever heard of the soap nut. So basically, it's nuts from a tree, which you put in like a mesh bag and chuck in your washing machine, and you just put the wash on as normal. And this apparently washes your clothes just as good as any soap or detergent, if not better. And you can reuse the nuts multiple times as they're agitated in the washing machine. They produce a substance called saponin, which is a natural cleaner. And also, you can grind the nuts up into a powder, and that's a natural insecticide. So you can use that to get rid of aphids and ants and stuff. So I've been online, had a look, done a bit of research, and I found a site called Jurassic Plants. Obviously, they sell all the sort of old style plants which are around during the Jurassic period. That's my guess. But anyway, so I found the Indian. It's called an Indian washnut or washberry tree. But over in the UK, it's known as a soapberry tree. But it's got many different names. If you Google it, it'll come up with all different things that it's called around the world. But it is the same tree. They're cold hardy, down to -5. So it may need a little bit of protection over winter, so in the greenhouse or porch or conservatory. But other than that, they're pretty easy to grow, apparently. So today we're going to be unboxing this and potting it up. So if you want to join me today, we'll open the box and we'll have a look what's in it. So uh, this is my tree, which I ordered from Jurassic Plants. So let's open this up and have a look at how it's packaged, and we'll get it in a little pot. I'm just going to go for a relatively small pot for now until it's established a bit more. Then I'll move it up to a bigger pot. I'm guessing I think they're quite drought tolerant. Most trees you get from like hot climates obviously will be quite drought tolerant, just in nature. So let's see how this tree's packaged. It looks pretty good to me. Pretty well packaged in there. Hopefully you can see. So that's how your tree arrives from Jurassic Plants. So let's get it out of this box now. It's very well packaged. Okay, so there's the tree. Oh, there's an envelope or something in there as well. Oh, I would imagine that's care instructions. And comes with a little cable tie. Growing instructions. I've already done a bit of research, so I'm not even going to read that. And just details from the nursery. So this is Jurassic Plants. Whoop. There we go. All the different trees and plants they sell in there. Care instructions. Yeah. Pretty impressive so far from them. It actually comes in a nice little pot already. Already potted up with some soil in it, so we won't have to disturb the roots or anything, which is good. Lots of tape. Try and get all that off. Bring you in a bit closer. Okay, so let's get into this and have a look. I can get all this stuff off. Should have brought a pair of scissors down with me. Never mind. There we go. A little tag on there. Soapberry, deciduous down to -7, it says on there. Okay. That's the name. SAPINUS MUKOROSSI. So we'll leave that there for a minute. Get our pot. This is what I'm going to put it in for now. And I've just got a mixture of compost and sand here. Nice sandy, free draining mix. You can use perlite or something a bit lighter. That I just use sand because it's cheap. Look at that. Made to measure. Okay, so I've filled up the pot. I'm just going to make a hole for it now. Take it out of here. Let's have a look what roots it's got on it. It's very wet. So, good roots on that. I'll just take the tag out for a minute. So I'll put it in the hole and press it into the compost. So everything's in contact and there's no air pockets. And I will put the tag back on, just so I know what it is. And they've given me a little cable tie to wrap around it. Personally, I prefer to use a bit of string, I think, because it's going to be easier to get off when I need to. So I've got a bit of twine here. I think that's better than a cable tie, to be honest. I imagine this is mainly just to protect the plant from getting knocked. It's not going to climb up it or anything. It just keeps it straight. So, there it is, all potted up. Our Indian soapberry. I'll just give it a quick water. My handy pump sprayer. I'm not going to go too crazy with the water because it was really wet and the soil's quite moist anyway. I think that'll do for now. And then I'm just going to leave it in here in the greenhouse for a little while, just to let it get accustomed to being outside again. I'm not sure where it was grown, so I'll just leave it there for now, next to my raspberry cane and my canary melons. I'll just get you a close up of the leaves. Okay, so it's got lots of nice new growth coming and all the buds are just starting to come out. So it looks like a nice healthy little tree from Jurassic Plants. About a foot tall. And quite a reasonable price compared to some places. Okay everyone, so I'm quite happy with my new tree, my new purchase. So I've never heard of this company before, Jurassic Plants, until I looked up to try and find these Soapnut trees. But all in all, a really good experience with them. So check out their website if you want to find a nice, reliable place to buy these exotic trees and plants. Anyway, I'm not like advertising for them or anything, but if I have a good experience with a company, then I will. Anyway, so thanks so much for watching, guys. We'll keep an eye on this as it grows. I will do regular updates like I do with my other plants and trees and stuff. So we've got our soapberry tree potted up today. got some nice growing instructions, so I'll have another read through them later and have a look at their little leaflet as well. So something to read later on. Anyway, thanks so much for watching, guys. Any questions or anything? Any advice? If you've grown one of these before and you've got some advice for me, that'd be great. Any questions from me? Feel free to leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe and like the video. If you did like it, and if you want to subscribe, that'd be great. Anyway, see you on the next one, guys. Hope you all have a great week. See ya.